Hi there. Today I'm gonna play some Nautica again. And I honestly don't know what to do next. We've already made a pretty decent base, so we're probably gonna explore my old survival world, which I've been playing on for about 8 hours. So yes, this is my base. Who's out the radio? Who out the north? Distress, so
This is Ozzy from the cafeteria. What the hell, guys? They didn't warn us this might happen. Our pod was almost crushed by the Seamoth Bay on the way down. Now we're hanging on the edge of a cave system, and this grim-looking snake thing's trying to eat through the hull. Come get us already.
Yes,
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Power cell. Need a silicone and 2 batteries. Which means I need 4 acid mushrooms. 1, 2, 3. I can just grab that quartz later. Yeah, that's a quartz plant now. We're growing quartz in our backyard. It's confirmed now, we're growing quartz in our backyard. Now what we need is silicone, which comes from this. I'm gonna get some silicone. And the last thing I need, titanium ingot. Titanium ingot, which requires how much? I just need 1 more titanium. I just need 1 more titanium.
They will let me wait to pay my bill until Friday when I get paid. I owe $119. I don't want them to shut my phone service off.
So this is back. The copper, that's not what we needed. Titanium. Titanium is the hat where titanium is the hat where titanium. Titanium. Oh, so we need one of those. Give me that. I'm honestly just gonna grab as many as I can really carry. Oh yeah, over there. Near a cave system and under attack. Nice.
Show a nearby cave entrance.
I'm guessing that's the cave.
Leading to an unknown environmental biome.
Seamless. What? Again, how do I get? Oh,
Short-range scans suggest this biome supports extensive biodiversity and connects to a number of small cave networks. Integrating new PDA data.
Oh my flip. Yeah, real quick. I know exactly what I need to do. I need a sea glide in there. I need sea glide to the max now. For some reason, I don't like the sea glide being on top, so I don't know if it's or something. I'm not worried as my inventory once I get back to the surface.
30 seconds.
So, my inventory. This inventory is a lot more organized.
Has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-10.
Gotta sit back and watch the show.
7,
Sit back and watch the show.
3, 2.
That honestly scared me. I was like, when is it gonna happen? And the game was like,
The radiation suit has been new blueprint data acquired.
radiation suit. I know we're gonna hear that. Okay, now where do we enter?
Integrating new PDA data.
Who's in there? What's in there? I don't need that much coins.
Preparing the day's water ration ahead of time will help ensure against dehydration and eventual death.
So, we start with practically. And you put there's nothing in this one. This truck is absolutely useless. This truck is useless. Yeah, that is worth my time. Maybe that's somewhere else. Something else. This is bad. This is bad. Exactly, but I'm not so close. It's worse than getting yourself off the battery charger. You know, I need to turn on this enough lights. I can actually see.
30 seconds.
Yeah, working on it.
New blueprint acquired.
What's in there?
New blueprint acquired.
I risked my life for this. Really. Sorry. I'm confused. There he is. I think out here somewhere. Salvage. What's in here? Absolutely nothing rotten. Egg. Nothing. This fuck is absolutely worthless. Worthless, I say. Worthless. This work is worthless. Let's go for it. We already get, yeah, we already get
New blueprint
actually,
acquired.
don't take me running for that. Yeah, we've spent like 8 minutes going on this run and the other cheats to get into it. This entire video is basically been about exploring this stuff. Oh, is this the same place? I think this is. Yeah, this looks yeah. It is. It's a right. I take a front right. Stop. Front right. Everything's okay.
New blueprint acquired.
Proportions in this. One of these ends laid out, one of these laid tomorrow.
Hey. 30 seconds.
I'm working on it. The place I've met
Oxygen.
I'm dead. There's a 0% chance I'm making it. There's a 0% chance I'm making it. There's a 0% chance. Yep, now it's time to do a tactic I like to call save reloading. When I do this, I ignore autosave flags, which will help me get all of my things back. It'll basically give That's the most logical thing that I lost. Okay, so I gotta do these. Now. Up, finish.
30 seconds.
Grow a third arm from that radiation over there. It'll basically grow a third arm over there. If I don't get a radiation suit. Yeah, like 100%. I'm gonna grow like a third arm or something. I'm gonna use this one. Now I know what I'm doing so fast. Propulsion cannon fragment. I probably did scare. now we're going. We have to get in that vent. We have to know what's in there. Oh, no time wasted. No time wasted. That's good. That's good. We don't know where we're going. That's awesome. That's also fantastic. I don't know where we're going. I don't know where we're going, actually. I just see fish face. Oh, laser cutter. It's not letting me. It's not letting me scan the. Let me scan the technology. It's not letting me scan the technology. Because I don't even know the exit myself, so I'm gonna get leave. This way? Perhaps? Maybe? Yeah. I know how to navigate those systems pretty well, in my opinion. This is massive, guys. Low taper fade. Up. Side. Down, I think I've been. No, I have not been here. Yes, I have. That's the only scannable laser cutter. Wait, watch this. Propulsion cannon. Now back to the unscannable laser cutter. No, let me scan. Okay, it's not letting me scan. Use repair tools. This better be an exit or else I'm dead. This better be an exit. Is this maybe the longest video yet on this game? Who knew there was an entrance right here? Here? Scan that laser cutter fragment, which is the unscannable laser cutter fragment. Modification station. It's propulsion to another modification station.
Blueprint acquired.
I think I use that for mods, which I'm not going to use mods. This one. It's cheap, so I'm going to use this. Well, it's not for that. What do you mean it's not for that? It's called a modification station. Now it's absolutely nothing. So there's nothing Actually, let's explore. Yes, we can explore. Grounding. Ooh.
30 seconds.
So I think we've explored the entirety of Rowlett. So now let's work around it. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. I think that's Is this bioreactor? Yeah.
Acquired.
Bum. This is titanium I won't use anymore. Bum. Quartz. Bum. But let's head back to the Loist one. It's 600 M's away. I mean, that's a lot of M's. So guys, I think we're gonna end the video by killing the sand shark. Kill the scanner. See, look, those spiders are gonna help me kill it. Where'd he go? Go. So I'm a scanner instead. Finish it. I feel like I'm in a nature documentary.
30 seconds.
Wow, Sage. Can you? Thanks. Oh, we got it. We got him. Got him, Storm.
Oxygen.
I think we're gonna end this video fireball like we did last time. Or by making up the radiation station. Actually, what should we make? How do I make it like an ultra super? I did a modification station for that, and I don't know how do I make it? Diamonds! How do I get diamonds? Shale. Get diamonds from shale. Shale is places I don't know yet. My reactor needs multi-purpose room. Multi-purpose room needs 2 pieces, like 0. So yeah, that's what we're gonna save. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek on what is happening in the survival world. In my survival world. My old one. We're gonna make this video go to 4 minutes and 6 seconds. We're gonna try and make it exactly for 26 minutes and 5 seconds. So this is a Cyclops. This is all blue. We have our radio fabricator. We have nothing in here. We have our super prawn. He has a grappling and gel arm. We have a decoy launching tube. We have cadet module, some nickel, and we have an engine efficiency. As we head down, I said has to be down. Our storage area over here. We have our electrician suit, 2 more decoys. In this one, we have some magnetite lithium. So yeah, that's basically the Cyclops store. We're gonna go pick up this.
Engine powering
If this thing could move like a Seamoth, I'd be so happy. This one moves like a Seamoth. Yeah. Test number 1 to see if this thing can harvest wheat line. No, it just physically disappears. This thing's already at 60% power. What is using up all the power? There's nothing wrong, but we're only at standard speed. I didn't mean to skip that. I gotta go get that. Let's see if I can go. Stop it. Stop. No, I didn't mean to. Waste of a creature decoy. Waste of a creature decoy.
Welcome, Captain. All systems online.
Make a sound effect. What?
Engine powering up.
Oh, wait. Okay, we don't really got a problem here. This is nice for the Cyclops. Safe Shells is the next cozy spot for a Cyclops, but only if you know it. Yeah, see
Engine powering down.
flip. Save it. Try again. Is this what's been breaking my base this entire time while I've been gone? Is that what's been breaking my base?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I knew that. Drill and jets. So let's take this thing for a spin and see if we can kill a stalker. Behind the scenes video on killing a stalker. You guys are good. I'm gonna channel that you guys get behind the scenes content. Boom. Target spotted. Got him. Yeah. No, I didn't mean to let go. Get him. Come on. He's fighting back. He's resisting. Yeah, killing the Stark in this video. I don't even care what you guys say. I'm killing it. I missed. Missed my shot.
I'm like, you know, Grandma, you're getting up there in the air. I would like you to try to enjoy the last 2 years of your life that you do have left. And I'm like, so if you could write a list, I'm like, don't worry about prices. I'll try and figure something out with the it's gardening is coming up, and you know, I take her to they have a big gardening thing, like warehouse over here that she loves going to. Like, we'll be able to go to that soon, so but I'm like, try to find something
Next target, guys. What close here should be easy to get the figure on.
Calorie intake recommended.
Yeah, this video is super long. It's like 30 minutes. This guy so probably doesn't know what's coming.
Well, sometimes it's Thursday night. So Thursday, when I get paid, so we need to do I don't know. I'm just saying. I just don't. With that down,
That was easy. Anyways, now we're gonna go break some outcrops. I got it right. He's coming with me now. Rabbit's coming with me. You're my friend now. We're eating soft tacos later. He's also kind of like a parachute. He makes me fall a lot slower. You guys have a parachute now. Or he's still alive and he's fighting back. Yeah, I think he's fighting back. I'm honestly just looking for masses of anything. I don't really care what it is. I see a mass of something, I think. Nope, just grass. Not a mass. This is the lot. Every soccer for themselves. I'm leaving. Every soccer for themselves.
Oh fuck! Is it Saturday or Sunday? Oh, okay. Yep. All right. I'll get the kids ready. Well, she wants to go get her crotch. Well, I still have the 60 for her crotch.
What's that?
I don't know, maybe like 100. I don't know what she's
Flip is worse. What? Wait, haha, wait, so. Quartz smells.
I got just a few things like 3 bags and $75.
activation imminent. Seek calorie intake immediately.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video and go back to my base. Bye.